Today on the menu, we're going to make oven-baked sweet apple tender pork with added salt and spices, just like you like it. Maybe a little bit of pepper. Going to stuff the meat for extra juicy flavor. Add some dill, cut it in little pieces, make it for 1 hour. Put it in 280 degrees, maybe 1 hour and a half if you like to put a little crispy. Carrots, maybe potatoes. Take it out, cut it, and enjoy. You probably wonder how much it costs to make one really big. It would be more or less than $2 or $3 in Ukraine, probably with some added tomatoes, spices, potatoes, $3-4 for a meal for